Okay, hello everyone. Let's solve this question. Express the vector field H is equal to xy square z ax plus x square yz ay plus xyz square az in cylindrical and spherical coordinates. Okay, again we have to convert it into cylindrical and spherical coordinates. Okay, starting with cylindrical coordinates. Let's write it. Let's go for it. This one is like this. Then this is cos phi. So we are ax, ay, az. Okay. So what is this? Xy square z. This one is x square yz. This one is xy z square. All right. Okay. Now I have to take out a row. Okay, you can convert that into cylindrical coordinates now, or afterwards also I can convert it. Anyways, so this is cos phi plus x square yz sine phi. Okay, so let me take it common. Okay, x y z, let me take it common. So what do I get? Y and x sine phi. Okay, then what is this? Instead of x I can write rho cos phi. Instead of y I can write rho sine phi, and z will be as such. Then instead of y again we are rho sine phi. This is cos phi. Okay, plus rho cos phi. This is sine phi. All right. So what do I get? These two will get added up. So 2 rho cube. Okay, these things will become square. Okay, sine square phi into z. Let me write it here. Okay, then what is a phi? A phi will be equal to x y square z. This is minus sine phi plus x square y z. This is cos phi. You must be quick and careful both at the same time so that you get correct answers every time. Minus y sine phi plus x cos phi. Okay, for getting correct answers every time, you must have proper practice. Okay, so here again, this will be rho square. I wrote it directly. Okay, cos phi sine phi into z. Correct. Then over here, instead of y, I can write rho sine phi. This again sine phi. So rho cos phi into cos phi. Okay. So this is what I got. Okay. Let me leave it like that. Then what is az? Az is xyz square. Okay. xyz square. So this one I'll write rho square cos phi sine phi, and this one is z square here. Okay, so if I have to write it in terms of vector, then I'll write it like this. I'll represent it like this. You can substitute the values. I'll not substitute it here. Okay, you can substitute it. Then next we have to do in spherical coordinates also. It's asked for us to we have to solve it in spherical as well. Okay, AR, this is phi. Okay, this is correct. Then over here AX, AY, AZ. Okay, let me write over here sine theta, cos phi. Over here sine theta, sine phi. All right, what shall I write over here? Cos theta. This one will be cos theta, cos phi, cos theta, sine phi. This one will be minus sine theta. This one will be this one will be sine phi minus sine phi. This one will be cos phi. This one will be 0. Okay, what is ax given to us in the question? X y square z. Then this is x square yz. Then this one will be xy z square. All right, then what is AR equal to? Well, this is xy square z sine theta cos phi. Even if it's lengthy, just go ahead, keep moving, don't stop. This is sine theta sine phi. Then this one is xyz square cos theta. All right, then this one will be xyz. XYZ is common for all. Okay, I just took it common. Then instead of okay, this I'll write nothing else is common, right? Okay, sine theta cos phi plus x sine theta sine phi. I hope I've written everything correctly. Then this is z cos theta. Okay, then next this one will be rho square cos phi sine phi. This is into z. Then this one will be rho, this is what, sine phi. Okay, sine phi. This is sine theta. Then this is cos phi. Okay, then next instead of x I'll write rho cos phi, and this is sine theta sine phi, and then this is z cos theta. Okay, this is z. Okay, then this was what was this? This was AR. Okay, this was just AR. Okay, these spherical coordinates are really lengthy. Okay, anyways, okay, is there anything common over here? Okay, these two are same terms, I guess. This is rho. Okay, sine theta. Okay, these two are same, so I can add them up. Okay, cos phi sine phi. This is 2 rho sine theta sine phi cos phi plus z cos theta. Then this one will be a theta is equal to, what shall you write? This is xy square z. Okay, xy square z into cos theta cos phi. Cos theta cos phi. This one is plus x square yz plus x square yz. Then this is cos theta sine phi. Okay, cos theta sine phi. Then last term is xyz square. xyz square into minus sine theta. I hope everything is correct. Okay, xyz common, y cos theta cos phi plus what do you get? Yeah, over here you'll get this term. It's x cos theta sine phi. This is minus z sine theta. Then over here I'll write rho square. This is cos phi sine phi into, this is to z will be as such, into this is rho cos phi. Okay, cos square phi, it will become cos theta plus this is rho sine phi. Okay. This one. Okay. Anyways, this. Okay. Over here, this is rho. This is rho sine phi. Y is rho sine phi. Okay, then this became then plus rho cos phi. This is cos theta. Then this is sine phi. Then there is minus sine minus z sine theta. Alright. So what shall I write over here? Sine phi cos phi. Then whole into 2 rho cos phi cos theta sine phi. Okay, minus z sine theta. Okay, now great. Then next az. Okay, it's very lengthy. Okay, anyways, what is az equal to? Az, oh, I'm sorry, not az, but this is a phi. A phi is equal to minus sine theta xy square z. Okay. Minus, this is xy square z. This is sine phi. Then plus something cos phi, I guess it was. Okay, let me check. Cos phi into x square yz. X square yz. Okay, x square yz. Now, taking common, then what shall I get over here? Y sine phi plus x cos phi. Okay, and again rho square cos phi sine phi into z whole into minus rho. Okay, this will be sine square phi plus rho cos phi will be, okay, this one will be cos square phi. Yeah, I hope you guys are also doing with me. Okay, these are pretty lengthy. Okay, anyways, in vectorial form, now what shall I write? AR cap, A theta cap plus A phi cap. Okay, this is your spherical in spherical coordinates. The vector will be represented like this. Substitute the values. Okay, the next bit says in both cylindrical and spherical coordinates we have to determine h at point that is given at 3 comma minus 4 comma 5. I have to take out this vector h. Okay, this vector h I have to take out for what? In both cylindrical and spherical coordinates. Okay, first let me do one thing. Okay, anyways, let me just this is x, this is y. Okay, one thing, I have, okay, over here instead of using okay, instead of I used rho everywhere. Okay, doesn't matter, in the end at least I can change. Oh yeah, instead of rho I should have written it in terms of r. See, so lengthy. And okay, anyways, rho square, instead of rho square I can write r square sine square theta. Similarly here, in place of this rho I can write r sine theta, r sine theta. Okay, then this is r sine theta. So, and yeah, instead of z also have to change. I must write r cos theta. Okay, now this is correct. Now this is in this form, cylindrical, spherical form. Here again I made this mistake. This is rho square. Instead of rho square I must write r square sine square theta. Okay, over here z is also there, so it's r cos theta. Okay, and over here instead of rho again r sine theta. Okay, sine theta term is only not there. Great, sine theta. Okay, and over here this is z sine theta, so I'll just write over here instead of z I'll write r cos theta. Okay, I hope this is clear. Then next, what else? Yeah, here again. Okay, in this previous one also z I missed out. This instead of z I have to write r cos theta. Okay, now it's correct. Everything is in r, theta and phi. And over here again, change it. Instead of z I'll write r cos theta. Okay, r cos theta I'll write, and instead of rho square I'll write r square sine square theta. Okay, so this became, then instead of rho again over here I'll write r sine theta. And okay, over here also rho was there. Okay, I could have taken it common. Okay, anyways, this one I'll write r sine theta. Okay, cool, this is correct. Then you can substitute the values. Oh god, it's really big. Okay, anyways, you need to have patience to do this lengthy calculations. Okay, over here we have to take it out in spherical and cylindrical coordinates. Okay, so I need to know the coordinates in cylindrical form. Okay, so what will it be? Well, rho will be equal to root over of 3 square plus 4 square. So this is 5. Okay, and what will be your phi? Well, now you need to take out your calculators for this. Let me go get mine. Well, yeah. Okay, over here instead of phi I have to write tan inverse, this is what, y by x. We write it like this. Yes, this is x, this is y. Well, basically y is negative and x is positive, means in this zone it's there. Okay, so in your calculators, just do tan inverse, just a sec, yeah, do tan inverse 4 by 3, and what did you get? Okay, you got 53. So basically this one will be negative 53.13 degrees. Well, you can, since you are you have taken your phi in the range of 0 to 360 degrees. So instead of writing negative of this angle, you do one thing. You write in terms of the other angle. This is also equal to 306.86 degrees. Okay, this phi now lies, I can say it lies in this range. Okay, then next z will be 5. Okay, this is correct. Then next r will be what? R will be root over of 3 square, that is 9, minus 4 square, that is 16, plus 5 square, that is 25. So you'll get, if you solve it, you'll get this. Okay, check it out. Then theta is equal to tan inverse, it's rho by z. So what's my rho? It's 5 divided by z, that is 5. Okay, 1. So this will be 45 degrees. And phi, you just calculated. Okay, yeah, you guys also do with me and tell me I'm doing it correctly or not. Okay, now what I have to do is whatever h I got, just substitute these values over there. Oh, it's so lengthy, but have patience. Do it, we'll do it together. Okay, so what is this? A rho was this thing 2. This is what was your a rho. Okay, now substitute all the values that you got over here. Okay, what did you get? What did you get? What is your row that you got? 5, I guess. You got 5. Yeah. You got 5, and this phi is important. Okay, rho and z are both equal, 5 and 5, and this angle is 306.86 degrees. Okay, let me now solve it over here. Where is a rho? Okay, this is 2 into rho cube, that is 5 raised to the power 3. Then into z, z is again 5. Then what shall I write? Okay, cos square. Okay, it's square, cos square, this much. Then into sine square, also sine square, 306.86. okay, that's what was written. So you guys, everyone, take out your calculators and tell me, what did you get? Oh god, I got such a big number. Anyways 287.94. I really want you guys to check this out, okay, whether this is going all correctly or not. Okay, you must tell me in the comment section if it's going correctly or not. If there's any mistake, tell me. Okay, then this is rho, okay, I can say it's rho cube. I can say it like that, rho cube. All right, what is rho? 5 raised to the power, over here also this I can take it out, so it will be rho cube. And then again z is also 5, then into cos 306.86. okay, 306.86 cos phi into sin phi. What's sin phi? 306 point, this is what, 86. Okay, then into, what shall I write? Minus sine square phi. Okay, minus sine square phi. Okay, then plus cos square phi, cos 306.86 square. Okay, square it. Okay, anyways, close this bracket over here. Yeah, I guess you all have also taken out your calculators and are doing the problem. Okay, so I got over here 84.09. Do tell me what are you getting. Then this is again rho square, z square. So everything is 5. So 5 raised to the power 4 cos 306.86 into, this is sine, okay, all right. Uh, okay, this is sine 306.86. Okay, sine. Well, okay, then I got this to be minus 299.96, whatever I can say, minus 300 approximately. Then this is what I got. Okay, so if I have to write it here, what can I write over here? I can write 287.94 a rho cap, okay, plus 84.09 a phi cap minus 300 a z cap. Okay, I got it like that. Okay, anyways, then next if I have to take out a r, well, if I have to take out a r, then okay, what shall it be? Let's see what are we getting. Okay, what's my r? By the way, it's 7.07. Okay, r is 7.07. Okay, this is 45, this is 306.86. okay, so let's check this out. Yeah, okay, then r is 7.07, this raised to the power, okay, then into sine square theta. Well, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay, anyways, let me write it just. Sine 45, it's square, okay. Okay, all right. This became then into cos theta, cos 45, okay, into cos phi, sin phi, 306.86 into sine 306.86. Okay, you guys also do with me, check it, you're getting this or not. Okay, this is a lengthy process, have to be patient. Okay, 2 into, this is what, sine square theta. Okay, sine square theta will be what, 1 by root 2 or 2. Okay, anyways, then sine phi, cos phi again, 306.86 into cos phi, that is 306.86. okay, and then closing bracket. Okay, over here, then what shall I write? Plus r, that will be, no, that will be what, cos square theta. Cos square theta is what, cos theta is cos 45, 1 by root 2, so it will be 1 by 2.5. okay, cool. So after doing all this big calculations, let me increase the brightness a bit. Okay, then after doing all this calculations, I am getting minus 8.499. okay, then what is a theta equal to? Oh, this is another big. Okay, patience is key. Then 7.07 to the power, okay, into sine square theta, cos theta, okay, the square into cos, okay, into, this is what, sine phi, cos phi again, 306.86 into cos 306.86 multiplied. Okay, what did you get? This into, now I'll do oh, okay, then This is cos phi sine phi. Okay, cos into sine. Okay, okay, all right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Then this much minus. Oh, it's so lengthy. 0.5. But I am way too patient, I guess. And you guys must tell me I'm doing this correctly or not. I'm doing this calculations for you. Actually, I'm doing this directly over here on pen and paper. And so I don't know. I've not checked it. You do it, okay? You do it and tell me, please, that it's correct or not. Then next, this is r sine theta. I can take it common over here. All right, all right. 7.07 to the power. This is like this into this is sine theta. Okay, sine cube theta. I can write it over here. Okay. This raised to the power 3 into okay, this is cos phi sine phi cos theta. Let me write it first. Into cos 306.86 into sine 306.86. I hope you have all taken out your calculators. Okay, do it, go for it. Then this is minus sine square phi. Okay, minus sine square phi, square it, then sine square phi plus it's cos square it as well. So you got 84.04. Oh, 84.04. Okay, then if you write this vector, you will get okay, let me write over here 84.04 a phi cap. The top one was 415.46 a theta cap. Okay, minus 8.499 minus 8.499 AR cap. Okay, this is what I got. I want you all to do it completely, check it, tell me whether this is all correct or not, or anywhere so it's really lengthy, but you need to have patience. Do it. This is full practice, and this will surely make you totally perfect. Okay, thank you.